So basically, this budgeting sheet not only covers your bank expenses, it also covers up to 5 credit card accounts. And if you do have more than 5 credit card accounts, I can add more. And basically, how it's organized is every pay period, you put in your expenses, you put in your income, your balance from last time, and etc. And you just keep going from there. Please see my photos for more information and to determine if this sheet is right for you. A pay period is basically from payday to payday. If you're paid bi-weekly or monthly, this sheet also does work for that. I do have tutorials on how those work. Please contact me for further information and see my photos, por favor. Thank you and have a good one.